So types of routing we have covered, static routing we have covered, then default routing also we have covered, dynamic routing. Okay. What is dynamic routing? Here the routes will be placed or configured automatically. So dynamic routing makes automatic adjustment of the routes according to the current state of the routing team. Okay, whether it is up, down, okay, everything, all the calculation for the backup routes and everything will be made automatically. So dynamic routing uses protocols to discover destination and the routes to reach. That what are the destination network and how to reach the destination networks. All the calculations will be done automatically by the protocols. So there are lots of protocols like your RIP, OSPF, IGRP, IGRP, ISIS, BGP. These are all what your examples for dynamic routing protocol. So automatic adjustment will be made to reach the destination network if one route goes down. If your actual best route is going down, backup route will also be configured automatically. Like in static, we have to go and configure floating static routes and all. But that things we don't have to do in the dynamic. Dynamic, everything is automatic. Okay. So in your dynamic routing, there are certain features. What are the features? The router should have same dynamic protocol running in order to exchange the route. If the routers want to exchange the routes, then the same protocol should be running. And if there is any change on a router, like new network is added, and network is going down, so the router will inform other routers also. Means the routers will be continuously communicating with each other. Okay. What is the advantage? Obviously, easy to configure. You don't have to manually configure everything here. Then more effective at selecting best route to a destination remote network and also discovering the remote network. Means now in case of dynamic route, you don't need to worry about what is the destination network, what is the destination subnet mask. No, we don't need to worry. The routers will talk to each other automatically and they will calculate what is the destination, how to reach the destination. But there is disadvantage also. Since the routers will be continuously communicating with each other, they will be consuming more bandwidth. Okay. And it is less secure. Why? Because any router running the same protocol will communicate. Any router running the same protocol will communicate. Okay. This is clear.